Hi, this is Arvind from IE School, an initiative by Influencers. In this video, we are going to take a look at School Innovation Contest. If you already registered for School Innovation Council, you can directly go ahead and participate in School Innovation Contest. If not, go check out our video on School Innovation Council registration. Let's get into School Innovation Contest. So, the Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell has launched School Innovation Contest to promote innovation and entrepreneurship throughout the country. A lot of adult tinkering labs are already functioning, but the government wants every state government school, private school, public schools, CBSE, state board, all schools to participate and be a part of School Innovation Council in every school, so that they have launched this contest. There's an opportunity for each school to get at least 2 lakhs per project. So they'll be selecting top 100 schools and inviting them to Delhi to present their projects. For this, you need to have your School Innovation Council login. In that login, I'll show you a page where you're going to apply. There is something called Activity Calendar 23-24. In that, you can go into Innovation Contest. Under the Innovation Contest, you will have 3 different tabs, where first tab would be Idea Creation, second would be Proof of Concept, and third would be Business Model. We've already explained this in our other videos, so you can go take a look. If not, you can send a text message or through WhatsApp to this number with your school name and details, so that we can help you. So in this idea creation, you will have to put in your idea, what are the themes that are there, healthcare, agriculture, smart vehicles. There are like hundreds of themes there. You can select whichever theme your project depends to and then submit it. Once it is submitted, you will see that in the second stage, where it is called Proof of Concept, where you're going to make a model or a presentation or a video or something that proves that your idea works or this is your solution. So you will going to describe your idea and uniqueness, describe your solution and who will be benefited out of the solution, and then you go into business model. How will this idea transform into a business where it will generate revenue, and then you can sustain your team. All those things are there. And what are the value propositions you're giving to your customer? How are you trying to get funds? All those questions are there. You're going to answer all those questions and then submit few photographs of your business model and then submit it. Once this is submitted, all across India, the top 100 projects will be selected by AICTE and CBSE together, CBSE and NCERT. So they'll select the top 100 and invite them to Delhi, and each team will be awarded 2 lakhs to get their model into real-time business idea. So the first thing you need to do once you get your School Innovation Council login is, you need to add your council members, executive members, teacher members, student members and expert members. Once you add all these members, you will get your certificate. That means you are completed your SIC registration on the first step. Then you will need to go attend all those events that they schedule, and if you are doing some other event, you can submit that too. And there are some program guidelines in this activity calendar. You will see 2 things: SIC activity calendar and SIC activity calendar guidelines. You can go check out that. In each of the 3 tabs, there has been given a button called Watch Video, which explains you what is ideation, how do you do it, how to present a proof of concept, and how to build a business model. All those videos are there. All the videos are in English, so it will be comfortable for anyone across India. So go check it out. If you need any help, get in touch with us. We are also helping schools to register for SIC, and also we are mentoring few school students to participation innovation contest. We're doing a lot more things. If you have any other collaboration ideas you think we would be helpful of, please do send a WhatsApp message to this number. This is Arvind. See you in the next video. If you have more questions, put it in the comments also. Do share this video to your friends, teachers, other school students. Thank you.